friends, my name is Jyoti and welcome to our YouTube channel Learn with JS. So before starting, let us see what we learned in the previous video. So we have just learned about the introduction of Microsoft Word. We learned that how can we start the MS Word, how to create a new document, how to open an existing document and how to close the file. So in the today's video we will see that how can we save our file using save and save as option. Okay, so let us start the video. So let us first create new file by using a shortcut key which I told you earlier, that is press Ctrl with N from your keyboard and will create a new file. I'm just pressing Ctrl with N. Yes, so here we are with the new document with the title name document file. So we will save that file with a new name, but before that let us type something so that we can save this file. So this is the text here. We have written a text in the document. So now let us just move to the saving part. So now here we will use three methods to save our file. In the earlier methods like to close, open or create a file, we used two methods. So actually there is one more method to open or create a file which I didn't tell you in the last video. So which is actually, as I informed you, that we can also perform the quickly actions by using quick access toolbar. Okay, so as if you want to create or open your file, then you can also create your file directly from this option. Like if I click here, then see document 6 has been created. So you can directly create your file directly from here, and you can also open your file by activating or enabling this open option. So let us close this file first. Okay, so we were here and we want to save this file by using quickly option here in the quick access toolbar. So here is our option for save. So we are using this option. So let us just click on the save. Okay, so we are here on this type of screen. So what is this showing? It is showing that at what location you want to save your file. Like you want to save your file on the OneDrive. Like for this OneDrive, you will have to sign in your account at OneDrive. Okay, then next it is asking that in that PC at which folder you want to save your file. Okay, so you can just save your file in any of the location in the PC, either in the document section or downloads section or desktop or anywhere in your C drive. So for right now we are saving our file on desktop. So let us just choose a desktop. In the desktop, this kind of as you will click on the folder, so this kind of pop-up dialog box will open in front of you. Okay, so it is just showing the location where you want to save the file. Then in the below section it is asking the file name which you want to keep the name of your file. Okay, so let us just save with the name of test file. Okay, so this is our file name. Okay, and this is save as type. Actually when you will click on it, there are multiple formats you can choose to save your file, but by default it will always save your file in the Word document, because when you will open that file, then it will open in the Word file only. Okay, so otherwise if you will choose PDF, then your file will be saved in the PDF and your file will be open in the PDF format only. So let us just choose Word document for the right now. Okay, so now just press the save section. We have given the name to our file and let us just choose save. See, your file name has been changed to test file. Okay, so let us just check on the desktop too that your file has been saved or not. see, your file is here with the name of test file. So like this you can just save your any of the file on which you are working at any of the location. So this was the first method. By using quick access toolbar you can save your file. So let us just move to the second method. Second method is just go to the file option. As we create a new file, open an existing file, you can also save your file from the file menu. So at the same way you can just save your file by using save option. Then the third method is by using a shortcut key. What is our shortcut? Control plus S. So just press Control along with S from your keyboard to save your file. So I am just creating a new file. Okay, let us just type here something else. Okay, so we have written here in our text area. Now we will save that file by using the third method, which is by using shortcut key. So I am just pressing Control along with S from my keyboard. So I have just pressed it. You can see we are here on the same format, that it is allowing us to choose any of the folder and save my file from the any of the name. So okay, so this is the third method we have learned. Okay, so now let us see what is the use of save as then. Okay, so actually you can save your file by using save as also. Like here is our file. When you will go to the save as, you will have the same option to choose a folder and save your file with the same manner. Okay, but if you already have the save option to save our file, then what is the needed of the save as then? So actually we use the save as if we want to save our same file with any other name or at any other location. Like this is our file when we saved earlier with the test file. Now I just want to save this file with another name or at any of the location, but the file will remain the same. Okay, so what will I do is that I will go to the file option and will click on the save as option, and it will ask you the folder. Now this time choose a documents folder, and we are just using the same name, but location is different. We are saving this time in the documents. So let us just save this. Okay, so this has been saved. So let us just check our document folder, refresh it. See, test file, we saved with the same name, test file, so it has been saved. Okay, so you likewise you can also change this name also. But there is also a shortcut key for using save as, so it is F12. On your keyboard, on the first row of your keyboard section, there are some functions key, F1, F2, F3, F4, F6. Okay, so these kind of series is there. So you can just press F12 to save your file. Let me check, we are here, and let me press F12. See, you are again on the same method to save your file with another name. Okay, I'm just cancelling it for right now. So that's all enough for the video. Thanks for the watching.